I'll be growing this $37 to about $400 by the close of the month just by using the same strategy. I'm going to show you how to earn $15 to $20 per day with your smartphone trading crypto on Binance and Bybit. I'm going to show you risk management, position size, how to select the coin, fundamentals, and everything that you need to know about trading crypto. So make sure you subscribe and hit the first link in the video description. Join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp.
In this video, you are going to learn how to make $15 to $20 per day with your smartphone using Bybit, and one of the strategies that I've been using for a very long time. You guys have known me to be doing videos about how to trade crypto and forex. So in this video, I'm just going to help those who have low capital and they are willing to risk small part of it to make huge gains. So make sure you follow my instructions. If you are not in the private group, click the first link and join the Telegram group. You can text me on WhatsApp so that we'll see what we can do about it. So what we want to do is want to get Bybit. If you don't have Bybit, you can still use KuCoin or Binance for this strategy. We are just going to use about 4 websites. The first one that I said is the exchange, which you can use either Binance, Bybit, or KuCoin or Bitget. And the next one is investing.com. We are going to be using investing.com for our fundamental analysis. Then we'll also use TradingView for our technical analysis, and we'll use CoinMarketCap for our selection of the coin that we are going to trade. So the first step in trading is you need to use Bybit. So right now I'm on Bybit derivatives dashboard. If you are using Binance, just go to the features dashboard. Remember, we are only trading features or derivatives if you are on Bybit. So the next thing for me to do is I need to deposit money into my derivatives wallet. So what I will do is I'll click on the right hand side and scroll to the downside. You see we have deposit and transfer. So if you want, you can click on deposit to either move money from your Binance account to your Bybit. But if you have money in your Bybit, you just click on transfer here. So for example, let's say I want to deposit money into my derivatives wallet on Bybit. I'll just click on deposit here. Then when I click on deposit, I'll now select the pair that I want to deposit. So this is what is currently happening in my balance. So as I told you guys, let's say you want to deposit money, you just click on the bar here, the wallet bar. You click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, now you are going to select the pair that you want to use. So for me, I usually like using USDT, so I'll select USDT here. Okay, so I'll change the Bitcoin to USDT. You can also change the network type to TRC20. Remember, you select TRC20 USDT. So now you copy this address and either go to Binance and withdraw to it, or you go to your Paxful or any crypto wallet that you are having. You can even use Trust Wallet. So once I copy this, I'll go and deposit the money. But if I also want, I can go back to Bybit again, the derivatives dashboard. So let's say right now I have money in my Bybit already and I want to deposit it into the features dashboard. I'll just click on transfer here. So when I click on transfer, now I'll select my funding wallet, which is at the left hand side, then transfer it to my unified trading wallet. Then I can change this USDC to USDT. USDT, that's the tether. Then you can enter the amount, or you click on all to just confirm the money. Once you have transferred the money, it should appear at the margin balance or the available balance, which is 37 point. That's the amount that we are going to be using to trade. Now that we have known how to deposit money into our features wallet on Bybit, the next thing is for us to go to a website called investing.com. So this is the fundamental part of the video. So for the fundamentals, these are external events that affect what is currently happening in the financial market. Whether you are trading forex, crypto, stocks, or indices, it's very important you always check for news before you enter a trade at that particular day. So what we want to do is when we go to a particular section of investing.com. At the right hand side top, you see economic calendar. So you click on economic calendar here. You can also use a website called Forex Factory for your fundamental analysis. So today we have afternoon time. So if we are going to trade, we can either wait for the news to be released, or we trade alongside with the news, but not over leveraging. For example, if there is a news release and it's good for the dollar, it will be bad for crypto. Anything that is good for dollar is bad for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin controls about 75% of the market direction. If Bitcoin is falling, all the altcoins will dump. If Bitcoin is rising, the altcoins will also rise. So know this. So today we have news coming around 1:30 p.m. Ghana time, and it's not that huge impact news. Every month we have about 7 high impact news that when they release, they determine the direction of the market, whether forex or crypto. So once we know that we have news today, we can decide to wait for the news to release, or we can just take a trade, but not over leveraging. When I say over leveraging, I mean you reduce your lot size. So if you were supposed to be using $20, now you'll be using $10 or $15, because when there is a news release, usually the market tend to move very fast in an unconventional way. So the next thing that we also want to do is want to go to CoinMarketCap for the coin selection. So each time that I now do my analysis on, I find my Bybit or Binance account, then I go to investing.com for my fundamental analysis. Now the next thing for us to do is we go to a website called CoinMarketCap for our coin selection. Just click on the logo at the left hand side, then you click on trending. Just below it, this is the coins that people are currently trading in the past 24 hours or the 48 hours. So you click on the more section on the trending here. I will advise you use a PC or laptop to do your analysis. So what we want to do is we scroll down and select a pair. The whole week the crypto market has been in an uptrend. Just yesterday and today that we are starting to see slow in movement. You can see in the past 24 hours the coins have been down about 5%, 7%, because yesterday Bitcoin dropped about 3%. So due to that, the crypto market also dropped. So what we want to do is, let's say we are going to take a trade, right? If we are going to take a trade right now, we are going to select 3 pairs. So I usually select 3 pairs. Remember, cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value. So once I select 3 pairs, then what I will do is I will check for the direction of Bitcoin. So right now Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend. It's just down 1.6% in the past 24 hours. The past 7 days, Bitcoin has been up 16.65%, which is huge, and PP has been up about 83%. So for us to make money trading, we just need to select a pair from this section. So right now I've seen a pair that I'm very interested in, which is Chainlink. So we click on Chainlink here. So when you click on Chainlink, there are 3 aspects of CoinMarketCap that you need to look at: the chart section, the market section, and the news. So with the chart section, we are going to be using TradingView. So right now we can see that Chainlink is in a downtrend, trying to change direction. Okay, so for us to even get more information about this pair, look at the right hand side. You can see we have news currently talking about Chainlink to rise. So that means that the fundamentals are supporting what the chart is currently doing. So remember I told you, you click on market. So when you click on market, you could see that Chainlink is listed on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, and all this, Uniswap, Polygon. You now click on news. So when we click on news, this is what is currently happening with Chainlink. About 6 hours ago, Chainlink is up 50%. Okay, we scroll down, everything is positive about Chainlink. I'm even predicting this coin to be about $20 by the end of this year. So what I'll now do next is I'll go to my technical analysis using trading view. So this is trading view. I've been trading gold and indices to pass my prop firm accounts. So if you also want to pass prop firm accounts so that you can get huge capital to start trading on Binance or Bybit, make sure you join the WhatsApp group or the Telegram channel. So I'll just click on it here. Then when I click on it, I need to select chain link. So I'll just search for link here. Then I'll put .p to it. Remember, because we are trading perpetuals, so I'll now select Bybit. Because I am trading on Bybit, I'll select Bybit. So if you are trading on Binance, just select Binance here. So I'll click here to select it. Now I've already logged this my trading view account into my Binance. So I've connected my trading view to my Binance for simple technical analysis. I also changed the color of my candlesticks because I've seen that I've started making improvement since I changed the color from blue and black. Usually I don't like green and red. If the market is rising, my bull candle is black. If the market is falling, my bear candle is blue. So this is the chart for chain link. This is the chart for chain link. You could see a spike from about $7.5 to 11.7. This is the last current price. So remember, we are going for a long position on chain link. Before we even go for the long position, what we want to do is we need to calculate our risk. You can't just be entering trades anyhow. Remember, our account balance is $37. So we want to make sure that if we take a trade, we are able to make 3 times of what we are investing. So we have already made our mind that we are going to be buying chain link. So let's click on this here. We have long position. So we come to the entry price, which is around here. So just click on it. Then remember, we always go with 1:3 risk reward ratio. And also, this is how my strategy works. Trend continuation, basic and simple. You just wait for price to go up, push to the downside to take out the sellers, then you enter a long position. If we are in a short trade or downtrend too, the same strategy applies. So if you want to make money trading, there are 2 things you should be looking at. We have downtrend and we have uptrend, and we also have consolidation. Never trade consolidation. Just wait for the price to select a direction, then you follow it. So this particular market, we could see chain link in an uptrend. So for us to trade, we are just wait for a pullback, then we enter along the way the price is moving. So if the price is moving up, we just wait for the price to retest to the next support level, then we enter through that direction. If it is in a downtrend, you wait for the price to push to the upside small, then you enter a short position and put your stop loss above the entry. So what we want to do now is, because this is a uptrend here and chain link have just made a push to the downside, we can now enter a long position with our stop loss just around here, and I'll take profit above the next resistance zone. So I'll just click here, then I'll add it. So my chart is trying to show some. Okay, let's see. Okay, is the network connected? Let's reset this chart. So this is my current trade here. So I'll just enter, drag this to this way. Okay, this is our stop loss. Then I'll take profit to be at the next resistance. So this is how I'm looking at chain link. Then I'll double click on chain link this way. So when you add this, so we know our balance to be $37, right? Then we are going to be using 10% as margin. Then we'll click on OK. So this is how much we are going to be entering. We are going to enter 8.123 as our margin, as our cost. If we are trading forex, we call it lot size. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my Bybit So once I'm on my Bybit here, remember we'll look for chain link. So we'll go for chain link here, link perpetual. So select link perpetual this way. Then when you select link perpetual, now we are on Bybit. I'm just going to explain certain things. This particular place is called the order book. So the order book contains buyers and sellers. Those on top are the sellers. They are thinking the market will fall, and those below here are the buyers. They are thinking the market is going to go up or rise. So remember, we know that chain link is going to rise, so we just enter our position using 8.132. that's our lot size. So we change this limit to market. Always use market orders. So now let's say I'll enter 8.132. okay, so I'll enter 8.132. the cost is this amount, so we are using $8. Then I'll click on take profit and stop loss. Remember, we are using long position. If we are selling, we'll click on short. So with the long position, our price target where we want to exit the market. So I'll just go back to trading view here. My exit point is around, let's drag this thing to the downside. Let's see our exit point. So we know our take profit to be 12.283. so we'll go back to Bybit. Our take profit is 12 point what, I didn't see it well. Let's go back. 12.283. 12.283. So that means that if chain links rise to 12.283, we are going to make a profit of $11. We are going to make a profit of $11 using $8 as margin. So let's go for our stop loss. So with our stop loss, our stop loss is 10.393. So our stop loss is 10.393. 10.393. So if chain link does not go in our favor, we are going to lose $3.6207. This is how we trade. We are risking about $3 of our account to make $11, which is good. If you are trading with $1,000 or $10,000 account and you risk $200 to make $700, this is the reason why some of us are always making money. Because if I enter a trade, even 2 trades doesn't go well, but 1 trade goes well, I'm still going to come out winning. This is how you should be trading. So I've just showed you how to calculate the lot size, how to enter a stop loss and take profit. So now just click on confirm trade. Then when I click on confirm trade, I'll now click on buy/long. Remember to click on buy/long here. So once I click on buy/long, you could see the trade appearing at the positions around here. We have our current orders here. This is where we find our take profit and stop loss. The unrealized P&L shows how much you are currently making on the trade. Then we have our realized P&L showing what is currently happening if they deduct the fee. So this is what is currently happening here. If you want to close the trade, just click on market. If you want to add first TP and second TP, you can click on limit here. So I also want to explain this particular place called margin. So this is the amount that we have used. 23% of our margin is currently free. If you enter a trade and the margin is up to 50 or 70%, just close the trade and re-enter again. And also mind you, once you are entering a trade, make sure you have calculated your lot size and also your take profit level and your stop loss. So on this trade, I'm risking about $3 to make $11. That's about 4 times of what I'm risking, which is very good. So imagine if you take only 3 trades and you are able to win 2 or 4 trades, you are going to make a lot of money if you are having a huge account size. If you want to learn more about trading, click the first link and join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp, because every day I share my trades with my students. Take care and see you in the next video.